today I will actually drink some more. Yeah, man, and honestly, now I feel better. Drinking one or two of those strong zero is the best medicine you ever have. Where's your arm, my man? Good evening from Osaka, guys. So I have to talk about some things beforehand. To be honest, I'm kind of a little bit pissed because I had a surgery on Monday. I just arrived here in Osaka. I was 5 days in Kyoto, and since the surgery was about the kidney stone, I still have a stent, which means like I have complications. It's very annoying, man, you know. I cannot just pee. It's always itchy and it's always burning. So I'm kind of fucking pissed about this, and I cannot really enjoy the city so much. But today I will actually drink some more to be able to walk the streets, because I noticed that if you drink something, you don't notice the pain anymore, which is my first stop. Let's get some alcohol. Let's see where's the good shit. Yeah, man, that's it. This stuff is crazy, bro. I swear. You drink it, you can taste no alcohol. It just hits you like a truck. Konbanwa. So yeah, let's drink for your health and against the bad mood I had all fucking day, because it was constantly burning and itchy and whatnot. And of course, nobody helped you here, because they always say go to a different hospital, this and that. It's really complicated with medical treatment here. So, oh man, that's so good, yeah. And I like those small, narrow streets where you can buy all sorts of stuff. Sushi, Japanese ramen. Oh, that looks cool. So you can do Japanese archery here. I might try that later. Need to drink some more first. This is cool, yeah. Konbanwa. Yeah, man, so this area is definitely about shooting, no matter if it's with bows or with bullets. They definitely like big presentations for their food here. That's huge, yeah. Yeah, actually here are a lot of food stalls, but what's kind of surprising is it's very very little people, not that much, not that crowded. So I'm not sure. Could be because it's a Monday. Maybe not so many people here, but yeah, I think usually this place is much more crowded. Konbanwa. I can guarantee you there's a famous Instagram photo spot because that's why so many people are standing there. Let me guess. Oh yeah, of course. Of course. And of course I also have to take a picture here. Yeah, very cool spot here actually, yeah. Yeah man, and honestly now I feel better. Drinking one or two of those strong zero is the best medicine you ever have. Imagine I was in different hospitals and stuff like that and blah blah blah. And nobody could release my pain here in Osaka, but once I started drinking, pain was gone. You know what I also thought, what maybe could be the reason that not so many people are here. There's a rumor which was kind of predicted in anime that somewhere in July there will be a huge earthquake in Japan, and it made it to social media. And I heard also some people even canceled their flights to Osaka or in general Japan, so could be that is the reason, yeah. Guys, this is so cool, this place. Check this out, so many colors. And so many blinking colors and whatnot. I don't know man, everything looks so cool here, yeah. Don't know what to say. I really love this place, yeah. This is a very cool armor store. Hi. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, you have one too, yeah? Yeah. Guys, watch out for these people. They will slice you into pieces, yeah? Yeah. Where's your armor, man? Where's your armor?
No armor.
No armor.
No armor.
Okay. You're Mr. Untouchable.
No, yeah.
You're untouchable.
No armor. Yeah.
Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, I like it. Yeah. Not bad.
Samurai.
Samurai じゃないです。
No samurai.
じゃないです。はい。Samurai です。はい。Yes. どうぞよろしく。Yeah, man, I gotta say, I love it here, man. It's so vibrant, so many colors. Let's check out this alley first and then go to the other. Time for the next round. Samurai experience?
Yes, samurai.
How much?
How much?
Each one.
Two present, one for
Aye, okay.
Okay?
大丈夫。
じゃあ、left hand.
Right hand. Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Left hand, okay.
This one is higher. This one is upper hand.
あ、そう。
はい。
で、これレッドポイント。レッドポイントね。に、この後ろ。ここを、こうやって、ガチャってはめて、このポイントで引いて、
ああ、大丈夫。
オーバーの、ここね。こ で
다주고.
ここは引いてそのままパッて OK Let's try
Okay. How many shots?
一応これオール
Four. Okay.
あ
Ooh, very bad, man. Very, very bad.
あ
So bad, yeah. So bad. So bad. So bad. Okay, those are. So I had like how many shots?
一応
8 shots. I had 8 shots, 0. This is so fucking bad. It's so bad. I don't know what to say. All right. This is for me.
Yeah
Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Okay, thank
Yeah, so I'm probably the worst samurai you can ever rent. I had like 8 shots and I fucked up every single one of them. I want to see how they're doing. Okay. 0. But I guess I need super zero as fuel. But to be fair, man, this of course is not the best equipment. You know, you get like crooked arrows, crooked bows, and stuff like that. But I did not expect like to hit a bullseye, but I did expect to at least hit a little bit into the direction. But it was 0, man.